Welcome, Inventor users, to another I Get It Tech Tip. In this series, we'll be looking at 120 Autodesk Inventor tips. Number 10. Offset workplane on sketch creation. When creating a 2D sketch that requires an offset workplane, you can do both operations at the exact same time. If we start a new sketch, and then we select on the face that we want to create our offset workplane from, we can then hold and drag away from that plane, enter a distance for our offset workplane, select OK, and our new sketch is now created on that offset workplane, which has also been created. And that's it. I hope to see you in the next Inventor Tech Tip.